What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about again on Spotify, and I'm gonna teach you how to change your Spotify password. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So basically guys, let's say you want to change your password out of any specific reason, out of safety, maybe you forgot it or whatever, but you want to change it nevertheless. So if you go to the home page of your Spotify and go to the settings, there are no options for you to change password. And also do not waste your time with the desktop app, because also it is impossible to do that way. What you need to do is go to your search engine and press Spotify. So when you open Spotify on your browser, you need to log into your account and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then go to your account and click change password. So you need to input your current password and your new password. So then after it you need to click set password, and basically you finished your job. But in case if you forgot your password and you need to enter a new one, make sure when you go to Spotify on your browser and try to log into your account, make sure to press forget password and basically change it that way. So you need to have access to your email which is connected to your Spotify. uh, in the other cases you won't be able to do so. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye guys.